Hello students, I'm going to show you how to draw an object by using direct observation. Now you can get any kind of object that you want to draw. You can use either a toy, stuffed animal, an apple, whatever you want to use. But I suggest that if you have never drawn before, or if you've never done an observational drawing before, that you pick out something that's not too difficult. Okay, so we're going to use direct observation, which means that you are directly looking at the object while you are drawing it. So don't draw what you think you see, draw what you actually see. Okay, and when you draw, now this right here I want to point out is my little Spot. He's my Beanie Baby, and yes, I have a Beanie Baby collection. But when you draw, make sure that you kind of look at them at each part as a shape. For instance, the head right here will be a circle. So I'm going to start, first of all, by drawing the head as a circle. So let's go ahead and do that. Excuse how the camera is jumping a little bit. Okay. So there I have the head. Now you'll see that the ear right here kind of looks like a teardrop, and you'll see that it comes down about right here on this part of the circle. So go about right there, and then just kind of draw what you see, which looks like a teardrop, okay? Now the other side is about the same. It comes down to about right here, but it goes up a little bit. So you see right here how it goes up. So it goes up just a little bit and then it comes down and around. Okay. Now I'm going to draw this side, but you'll notice this that right here, this part is like squared off. So remember, just draw what you see, not what you think you see. So I'm going to come over here and put that little square piece in. And let's see. Okay, I think I did a little too far. Okay, but this is why we use a pencil, so that we can erase our mistakes. Yeah, right there, that's good. Now I'm going to bring this down, and I notice that it kind of goes around here and then goes down. So I'm looking at it, then back at my paper, and right here it has a little curve, and then it goes up right there. So go all the way up. Well, not all the way, but about right there. And then right here it has a curved line that goes over like this. And from where you're looking, it will look just like it will look you can't really see the bottom of it, but but from where I'm sitting, I can see it's a little bit different. Now I look at this part, I see how it comes down, goes down like this, then it goes out. I'll look at the next part right there, down. Then the next part goes around and up. Excuse me. Okay. Now I'm going to draw this part of the puppy, of Spot. And I notice that it kind of comes in a V shape. I think it's a little bit lower than that. About right there. Then I'll draw the next part, which is right here. And instead of it coming all the way down, I notice that it just goes straight across like this, okay? Now I'm going to draw the bottom leg. So I notice it's right there and it comes to there, right to there, right to there, right to there. Then I'll draw this side, which goes out a little bit and then around. So out a little bit and then around. And then I'll do the same on the next side. Look at it, draw the first piece, which goes down. Then the next piece goes over in a curve. The next piece goes up and around, up and around. Okay. I think I did this one. I should make this one a little bit rounder. Okay. Now I'll put these little lines in here because I can see the little lines there. And now next I'm going to draw the face, and I notice that around the nose area, that from where I'm sitting, it looks just like a circle too. So I'm going to go ahead and put the circle there. And then there's a line that goes up like this right there. And then I got the nose, so I'll put the nose in. Now remember, I'm just showing you how to draw from observation, okay? We're not putting in the values or the shadows or anything. Right here's these lines. A little bit different right there. And the eye comes about right here, so I'll put the eye in. You can't really see this one, but it is about right there. Okay. And I've got some highlights here, but I want to make it darker just so you can see. So with you, you would keep the highlights in the eyes. Okay. And this goes about right here. So I'm going to color this black. And remember, you would put shadows, shading, highlight, paying attention to the lit area, which you can see right here is on the right side. And that's where the light source would come from. And the shadow would be on the left side. And then the lit areas on the nose and the eye. There's also a shadow under the ear. So you would pay attention to all of that. There's a little bit of shadow on the right side too, on the by the leg. But right here, I'm just showing you how to draw the shape of it by using observation. I'm so sorry about the camera shaking like this. I have the camera attached to my table and it just kind of keeps shaking. Okay, then I'm gonna just do a little bit of tracing the outline. Okay, so there you go. And remember, as I said, I'm only showing you how to draw the shape, not how to put all the shadows and values. After you draw your object, you will put in those values and shadows and then put some kind of other images around it. Here I'm just gonna put a doghouse, and then later I'll go in and add some trees, and this is an outside area for the dog. Okay, there you go.